We've all been there. You finish a project, remove the duct tape, and expect a clean surface. But instead, you're left with a sticky, stubborn mess that seems impossible to clean. Duct tape is great for a lot of things, from quick fixes to creative projects, but its residue? Not so much. It seems like it's designed to cling on for dear life, making cleanup a real hassle. But don't worry, I'm here to tell you there's an easy solution to this common problem. You don't need to stress or struggle. You can get rid of that unsightly residue without damaging your surfaces, and it's simpler than you might think. This sticky situation happens because duct tape uses a strong adhesive that's designed to hold firmly. When you peel off the tape, some of that adhesive is left behind, clinging to the surface. But before you reach for harsh chemicals, which can sometimes do more harm than good, consider a gentler approach. Let me introduce you to a surprisingly effective solution you probably already have in your toolbox. WD-40 is not just for squeaky hinges. Simply spray a little WD-40 on the residue, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it away with a clean cloth. You'll be amazed at how easily the residue comes off, leaving your surface clean and residue-free. So next time you face a sticky situation, remember, a little WD-40 can go a long way in making your cleanup a breeze. Before we get started, let's gather our duct tape busting tools. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. Here's what you'll need. WD-40, the star of our show. A clean cloth or rag, warm water, and mild dish soap, which is optional. That's it. Now that we have our tools, let's move on to the step-by-step process. Now let's get down to business and banish that sticky residue for good. Whether it's from duct tape, stickers, or any other adhesive, we've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps. First, apply WD-40. Spray a generous amount of WD-40 directly onto the duct tape residue. Make sure you cover the entire sticky area. Make sure the entire area is well coated. Next, let it soak. Allow the WD-40 to sit on the residue for a few minutes. This soaking time is crucial as it helps to break down the adhesive. This will give it time to penetrate and loosen the adhesive's grip. Then, wipe away. After soaking, use your clean cloth to gently wipe away the residue. Be sure to use a soft cloth to avoid scratching the surface. You should see it start to come off easily. The residue should lift off without much effort. And finally, repeat if necessary. For stubborn residue, you may need to repeat the process a couple of times. Don't worry if it doesn't come off immediately. Persistence is key. With a little patience and the right technique, your surface will be clean and residue-free in no time. Section 4. Gentle approach for delicate surfaces. If you're working on a delicate surface, like a finished wood table or a painted wall, you'll want to be extra careful not to scratch it. These surfaces require a gentle touch to maintain their beauty and integrity. Here's how. First, always test the product on a small, inconspicuous spot to make sure it doesn't damage the surface. This step is crucial to avoid any unwanted surprises. Apply a small amount of WD-40 to the test area, and wait a few minutes to see the results before proceeding to the entire area. Always use a soft, clean cloth when wiping away the residue. A microfiber cloth is ideal as it is gentle and effective at picking up dirt without causing scratches. Avoid using anything abrasive like a scrub brush or steel wool. These items can easily damage delicate surfaces, leaving unsightly marks and scratches. When wiping, use a gentle back and forth motion. This technique helps to evenly distribute the cleaning product and ensures that you are not applying too much pressure in one spot. Avoid rubbing too hard, as this can scratch the surface. Gentle, consistent pressure is key to maintaining the pristine condition of delicate surfaces. Remember, patience and care will yield the best results. Section 5. The finishing touches, cleanup and prevention. Once you've successfully removed the duct tape residue, you'll want to clean the area to remove any leftover WD-40. Mix a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water. Dampen a clean cloth with the soapy water and wipe down the area where you used the WD-40. Use a dry cloth to dry the area completely. To prevent future sticky situations, consider using painter's tape instead of duct tape when you need a temporary adhesive solution. Painter's tape is designed to be easily removed without leaving residue. Section 6. Conquer any sticky mess. There you have it. With this simple technique and a little bit of WD-40, you can conquer any sticky mess and keep your surfaces looking their best. Remember, a little patience and the right approach can make all the difference. Now go out there and tackle those sticky situations with confidence. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.